Wow, 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 dice el perro. Wow, wow, is what the dog says. Hola amigos, my name is Ulises. Welcome to Plant-Based Masterpiece and thank you for playing this video. Also, this video is for make something easy: curry, coconut, chickpea. Simple. We're gonna make it so fast, so quickly. Actually, not too fast because today's video I have black rice. If you have white rice or quinoa, you can make it more fast than me. I mean, it's gonna take me a little longer, something like 30 minutes or 35, maybe 40 minutes. Basically, it's that. And also the other ingredients we're gonna saute. So welcome, feel comfortable. If it's your first time, I'm Ulises Cruz. I'm a professional chef. I've been working the last 5 years, almost 6 years in plant-based cuisines. I'm so tired of being working on different places, and right now I feel comfortable being working right here just for you. Thank you for playing this video. You don't know how much I really feel. I mean, how much I really love when you comment or say whatever you want in the comments. Right now we're gonna make this bowl and the best way. Also, it's gonna be in the the most easy way. So anyway, let's do it. Let's do this bowl. So amigos, first, wash your rice. Don't forget wash your rice. So a little quickly. So right now I'm going to cook black rice, but you can also cook white rice or quinoa. Also lentils. Why not lentils? So amigos, in one pot, coconut oil. Just a little bit. Your rice. I forget to say how much about the portion. About the portion is half cup of black rice by 1 cup of coconut milk. I'm waiting for this rice. Amigos, can you see this black pot and black rice? I don't know if you can see it. So amigos, toast your rice by a couple minutes. So right now it's time to add it or delicious coconut milk. Wow. Wait until it's boiling. Pinch of salt. And this is optional, amigos. And black pepper. Amigos. Right now, once you see it's boiling, just reduce the heat. So if you didn't know about how to cook the black rice, all the time when you're buying on packs, there is the instructions, but this is gonna take me 30 minutes on low heat. So don't forget, cover it and wait until it's ready. So amigos, right now, finally after 35 minutes, my rice is boom. Look at this rice. It smells so good. So while it's hot, it's time to saute my veggies. What I'm going to do basically, so heat your non-stick pan, coconut oil. I'm gonna do 1 graffiti. Something like 1 teaspoon of coconut oil. So amigos, once you see it's hot, add your onions. 1 tablespoon of red onion, diced red onion. So just a quick toss. Just give it a little color. 1 garlic clove, fresh garlic clove. Da da dee, da da da. It's too big, this saucepan. No, it's good, it's good, it's good, it's good. So, 1 cup of chickpeas. I love that sound. Amigos, I forget to tell you so quickly. So I have 2 tablespoons of hazelnuts. Hazelnuts or hazelnuts? So I'm gonna... Yes, just half. Amigos, something like 1 table hazelnuts and same. So amigos, just chop a little bit or quick chop your cauliflower and your broccoli. So it's something like a 1/4 cup of each one. 1/4 cup of cauliflower, 1/4 cup of broccoli. So amigos, on this point it's time to add it 1 teaspoon of curry and 1 teaspoon of smoked paprika. Look at this color. Let me see. Can you see? Look at this color. Amigos, and just wait and saute by couple minutes. Something like 3 to 5 minutes, 4 minutes is good. But also if you see it's too dry, if you don't want to burn it, just add a little touch of more coconut milk. Amigos, also this is optional, the last ingredient, a little ginger powder. Optional. I recommend you actually. Just a pinch of ginger. So amigos, until this point, once you see it's almost ready, after 3-4 minutes, it's time to add our coconut shred. Look at this beauty. I'm gonna save a little bit for the topping. Just a little bit, just a little bit, just a little bit, just salt it a little bit. It's time to plate it. Actually, it's time to eat it. I'm hungry. It should be less than 5 minutes. It's just a quick saute. Amigos, right now is the time to plate it. Oh my god, looks so good. It smells good. Oh my god, there is a little water on the bottom, but it's no big deal. It's ready. It's ready. It's ready to play. Oh my god. Is this something that is worded later on? I mean, editor, this is the difference between have different kind of plates in my storage over there than just have just a one color. For sure this is gonna look so beautiful. Or curry. Curry coconut chickpeas. Curry coconut chickpeas. Little salt because I'm missing while I was cooking. Black pepper. A little more hazelnut. A little more chopped of hazelnut. Cilantro. Also, you can use parsley or green onions. Just chop your cilantro, please. And ta-da! Ta-dam, 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 ta-dam. It's raining cilantro. Ha ha ha. Ha ha ha. Amigos, finally. This right here. I hope you get this idea or this tip. It really looks so pretty. Oh no, I forget to tell you something. You know what is this? Can you see it? Can you see it? Amigos, this is another idea. You can roast them, but feel free doing yours. Also, you can use any kind of rice, quinoa or lentils. There are different ways to make it. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like, don't forget, and also thank you for staying until this part of this video, and see you soon. Peace and love.